Measles is continuing to spread with 31 new cases coming from all five regions since the last update, with the largest number of new cases in the north and now in Calgary. The regional percentages of unimmunized children below the age of 2, that group that is most at risk for serious complications, range from 20 to 50%. So measles in the province and still a large number of vulnerable kids. The government is reluctant to call this an epidemic, but when Alberta's 1,400 cases are larger than the number for the entire United States, and we have 12 times the number of active cases as Texas does per capita, there's no doubt that this is an epidemic. Worse, there can be no doubt that it's still not under control.
I think it's very reasonable to say that disinformation is a major factor contributing to measles outbreaks worldwide right now. It also is behind some of the lower uptake of other childhood vaccines that we've been seeing. And the current vaccination rates in many places in Alberta and across Canada are below the level required to prevent transmission of the disease if it's introduced in the community. And it leaves our communities vulnerable to measles and other vaccine preventable diseases. And we know that these are very, significant illnesses. Many people will get them and recover, but others can have bad consequences, such as fatal pertussis, which is whooping cough in babies, stillbirths and birth defects from rubella infection in pregnancy, infertility in males after having mumps infection. And these consequences are avoidable with, things that we have known to be safe and effective long-term with the vaccines.
I don't think that amongst regular Albertans that there is much doubt that vaccines and immunization are important. Right. So if the government was just going on the basis of the number of votes that regular Albertans have at their disposal, I don't see this as a difficult choice. Every study indicates that the number of people who believe the misinformation enough to propagate it are relatively small and not enough to get you elected in any riding in Alberta. So I'm not a political expert, but I must say I don't understand the math.